Tesla sales will go strictly online, which cause a really bad morale among Tesla workers. Details right after this. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. Welcome. If you're new, please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my supporters, patrons, shoppers, and the Electric Israeli swag store. Today's topic is the very diminished bad morale among Tesla workers, especially those who are going to getting laid off because the showrooms, the stores, Tesla stores are getting closed as Tesla moving all sales into online. I understand why they are upset. Obviously, this is very devastating. I understand why Tesla is doing what they're doing. I just want to share with you an interview that I saw on CNBC by Vroom.com, V-R-O-O-M.com. It's like Carvana.com. It's a online used car sales. And the CEO's name is Paul Hennessy, Hennessy. His interview was amazing, so interesting. I don't know if you knew, the used car market is $1 trillion business, getting close to $1 trillion business. That's a huge business. Less and less people buy new cars. And the next generation is going to be less and less and less. Car sharing, used car, public transportation. Among millennials, among young people, this is what they like to do. You know, owning a car is very expensive and it's a lot of headache. Okay, we love our old generation, we love a car. Not the new generations. It's less and less. You'll see the numbers go less and less. And the CEO, Paul Hennessy, said that Tesla moving into online sales, it's a fabulous idea. Now, it's not fabulous for all the Tesla workers who are losing their job. That's awful. That's terrible. But from a business point of view, he says, this is the new reality of shopping. I did another video about this topic just a couple days ago. And I'm telling you, the shopping experience online of cars, forget you buying a shirt or a pot or a pen, but the car experience, the shopping experience of a car online is awesome, you know, especially when you have good return policies and you can test the car for a few days and return it. So that is a good thing. But the question is, what is it to do with those workers who are laid off? And I know that the online sales of used car, by the way, any used car, not just Teslas, any used car. I sold my Leaf online. It was the best experience ever. And so the amount of people that you would need to run these websites, to do deliveries, to keep these cars in lots until they are sold is humongous. So the e-commerce economy is shifting from, you know, some people like the personal touch. I like going to Tesla stores. It's really a nice experience. But I understand why they're doing this. I understand. People like to buy stuff online. People like the door-to-door experience. I sold my car off my driveway where I'm sitting right now. It was right behind me, parked. The guy came with a truck. I signed 2 seconds. He loaded up. I did everything online. It was done. Nobody tried to trick me. No sleazy salesperson tried to sell me something I don't need. It was awesome. I put the stuff, done. You can buy a car like this and you can sell a car like this. So I think that the paradigm is shifting. That's we know. But there's going to be a lot more of that coming, and you see less and less people buying cars by going into a parking lot or to a garage or whatever. It's really becoming a door-to-door service. Tell me if you like it. I do. I really do. Tell me if you like it. Tell me, what do you think will happen to all these workers who now worked in the stores? What are their options? But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys, with another video. Thanks.